Ever wondered why butterflies are so colorful while moths seem rather dull? What secrets do these tiny winged creatures hold? Welcome to the intriguing world of butterflies and moths, a world teeming with vibrancy, mystery, and life. Belonging to the scientific order Lepidoptera, which translates to scaly winged, these creatures are aptly named for their unique wings and bodies, covered in minute scales. The Lepidoptera order is a vast one, boasting about 180,000 species of butterflies, moths, and skippers. Moths, with their subtle hues and nocturnal habits, take the crown for being the most abundant of the trio. These fascinating creatures are global citizens, gracing every corner of our planet with their presence. You'll find them in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest blues to the flamboyant swallowtails, from the equatorial tropics to the frigid Arctic. Their diversity is truly stunning, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. When it comes to their physical attributes, butterflies and moths are remarkably similar. Both have three main body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Both flaunt two pairs of wings, but it's how they hold these wings that sets them apart. Butterflies, the show-offs of the insect world, hold their wings vertically, displaying their vibrant patterns for all to see. Moths, on the other hand, are the introverts, folding their wings tent-like or wrapping them around their bodies. Their antennae are another distinguishing feature. Butterflies sport club-like ends, while moths have feather-like or thread-like antennae, a subtle difference that can help you tell who's who in the Lepidoptera world. But are there more to these creatures than what meets the eye? Let's dive deeper into the fascinating life cycle of butterflies and moths. For these winged wonders, life is an extraordinary journey of transformation. A journey that begins as a humble egg and culminates in the fluttering beauty we all admire. Imagine a life beginning on the leaf of a plant. That's precisely where the journey of butterflies and moths starts. In the fascinating world of these scaly winged creatures, the egg stage is nothing short of a marvel. Picture this: an adult butterfly or moth selects a plant, a decision that is far from random. This choice is often dictated by the species' instinctual knowledge of which plants will provide the ideal nourishment for the upcoming larvae. The eggs are then carefully laid on the chosen plant, a new generation's first home. These eggs, though minuscule, are architectural wonders in themselves. Each one is uniquely structured, with diverse shapes and patterns, reflective of the species they belong to. They are often well camouflaged, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. A clever trick of nature to protect them from potential predators. But what's truly mesmerizing is what happens inside these tiny eggs. Inside, a tiny larva begins to form, preparing for the next stage of its life. The selection of the plant by the adult butterfly or moth isn't just about providing a home for the eggs. It's also about ensuring the survival of the larvae. The plant chosen is often the specific type that the caterpillar will need to feed on once it emerges from the egg. This is a critical stage in the life cycle of butterflies and moths. The survival and success of the larvae depend heavily on the plant chosen by the adult. Too far away from their ideal food source, and the newly hatched caterpillars might not survive. It's a delicate balance, a testament to the intricate design of nature. And so, the eggs remain nestled on their leafy cradle, patiently awaiting the right moment. For inside these tiny capsules, a transformation is about to begin. A transformation that will see a hungry caterpillar emerge, ready to devour its leafy home and embark on its journey towards becoming a breathtaking butterfly or a mesmerizing moth. From these tiny eggs, something extraordinary is about to emerge. Out of the egg emerges a ravenous creature, the caterpillar, destined to undergo one of nature's most astounding transformations. This is a stage that is all about eating and growing. The caterpillar, a creature with a seemingly insatiable appetite, begins its life by consuming its own eggshell, a hearty first meal packed with vital nutrients. Once the eggshell is consumed, the caterpillar moves on to its main food source, plants. But these aren't just any plants. The mother butterfly or moth, in her wisdom, has laid her eggs on a specific type of plant that the caterpillar will feed on. This is not a random choice. The selected plant is often the perfect food for this particular species of caterpillar, rich in the nutrients it needs to fuel its growth. And grow it does. The caterpillar's main job at this stage is to eat and expand, and it does this task with gusto. It becomes a veritable eating machine, consuming plant material at an impressive rate. In fact, some caterpillars can eat up to 27,000 times their body weight during this stage. That's like a human eating a full-size school bus. Now that's a hearty appetite. But there's a method to this munching madness. All this feeding allows the caterpillar to store energy and accumulate the essential materials needed for its upcoming transformation. As it grows, the caterpillar will shed its skin several times, a process known as molting. Each new skin accommodates its expanding body and brings it one step closer to the next stage of its life. This stage might seem like it's all about devouring and growing, but the caterpillar is also learning valuable survival skills. It's learning how to hide from predators, how to blend in with its surroundings, and how to use its body to move and explore its environment. These skills will be invaluable in its adult life as a butterfly or moth. Having eaten enough, the caterpillar now prepares for a miraculous change. This stage is crucial to the life cycle of the butterfly or moth, and it's a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of these fascinating creatures. The caterpillar has done its job. It has eaten. It has grown. And now, it's time for it to transform. Wrapped in a protective casing, the caterpillar now enters a state of dormancy. But is it just sleeping? Let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating stage of life. This is the pupa stage, a period of intense transformation. The caterpillar, now a pupa, is encased within a shell-like structure called a chrysalis, if it's destined to become a butterfly, or a cocoon if it's a moth in the making. But don't be fooled by the seemingly peaceful exterior. Inside this protective casing, a spectacular process is unfolding. This process is called metamorphosis, a Greek word that means transformation or change in shape. It is during this stage that the real magic happens. The caterpillar, which once munched on leaves, undergoes a complete makeover. So, what exactly happens inside the chrysalis or cocoon? Well, the caterpillar's old body parts undergo a remarkable transformation, known as histolysis. Think of it as nature's version of recycling. The caterpillar's tissues, organs, and other elements are broken down. They are then repurposed to form new structures, like wings, antennae, and other parts of the adult butterfly or moth, a process termed histogenesis. It's an incredible transformation. The caterpillar, once a simple creature bound to the confines of its leafy world, is being revamped into an entirely new being, equipped with wings and a newfound ability to fly. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species. Finally, when the time is right, the casing splits open. But what emerges is not the leaf-munching caterpillar we once knew. Instead, a new creature emerges, bearing no resemblance to the caterpillar. As the casing splits, a new creature emerges, bearing no resemblance to the caterpillar. Scene script. Out comes a creature of beauty and grace, a butterfly or a moth, ready to continue the cycle of life. The final stage of the life cycle is a sight to behold. The adult butterfly or moth, resplendent in its full glory, emerges from the chrysalis or cocoon. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the miraculous transformation that has occurred. Now, the adult butterfly or moth isn't just a pretty sight to behold. It's a hard-working member of the ecosystem. Using their long, coiled proboscis, they feed on nectar from flowers. It's quite a sight, watching them hover over flowers, uncoiling their proboscis like a straw to draw up the sweet nectar. But did you know, they're also playing a crucial role in pollination as they feed? As they flit from flower to flower, they inadvertently transfer pollen, helping plants to reproduce. In this way, they contribute to the biodiversity of our planet, ensuring the survival of many plant species. And what about their defense mechanisms? Butterflies and moths have a plethora of tricks up their sleeves. Some are masters of disguise, blending in perfectly with their surroundings. Others employ the art of distraction with eye-catching patterns on their wings that can startle predators. Some species even go into hibernation to avoid predators and harsh weather conditions. There's also something intriguing about their flight. Some butterflies and moths are known to migrate over long distances, while others engage in mass flights, each in their own way, painting the sky with their vibrant colors and patterns. Yet amidst all these activities and survival tactics, they never fail to captivate us with their elegance and beauty. The adult butterfly or moth is a symbol of transformation and resilience, a gentle reminder of the power of change and the magic that lies in nature's cycles. And so, the cycle continues, adding more colors and patterns to our world.